Now here the question is, AB is the chord of the parabola y square equals 4x such that normals at A and B intersect at a point C 9, 6. So for this parabola, if we'll write equation of normal, it'll be y equals mx minus am cube. Now a in this case is 1, so it'll be simply m cube minus 2m. Now it'll pass through this point 9, 6. So here y is 6 and x is 9, so it'll be 9m minus m cube minus 2m. So we can write this as m cube minus 7m and then plus 6 equals to 0. So we'll write this as m cube minus m and then minus 6, m minus 1 equals to 0. So we can take m minus 1 common and then we'll get m square plus m minus 6 equals to 0. So it'll be m minus 1 and then m minus 2, m plus 3 equals to 0. So we'll get three values of m. Either the value of m is 1 or m is 2 or the value of m is minus 3. So these 3 points, they represent co-normal points and their slopes are 1, 2 and minus 3. So now we have this parabola which is y square equals 4ax. And then we have this point C which lies on this parabola. And then we have these foot of normals. So we can find foot of normals which are am square minus 2am. Now here the value of a is 1. So if m is 1, we'll get this point as 1 comma minus 2. If m is 2, we'll get this point as 4 comma minus 4. And if we'll take m as minus 3, then we'll get this point as 9 comma 6. So that means this point C is 9 comma 6 and then we have 2 points, one of which is 1 comma minus 2 and that's your suppose A. So A is 1 comma minus 2 and B is 4 comma minus 4. Now first question is we need to find length of AB. So length of AB, it will be under root of, now this is 3 square 9 and then it will be 2 square 4. So it should be under root of 13. So this A, it is matched to R. Second one is area of this triangle ABC. So we can find this area as 1 by 2. Now x1, y1, 1. So it will be 1 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 4, 1. And then 9, 6 and 1. Now we'll take R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R3. So we can write this as 1 by 2 will be what? Minus 3 plus 2, 0. And now here it will be minus 5, minus 10, 0. And this is 9, 6 and 1. So we can write this area as 1 by 2 will be 30 and plus 10. So that should be 40 and it is 20. So area of this triangle ABC is simply 20 units. So option B, it is matched to B. Now third one is perpendicular distance from origin of this line AB. So here we'll need to find equation of this line AB. So first we'll find the slope. So its slope will be y2 minus y1. So it will be 2 and upon minus 3. And we can write this equation as y plus 2 minus 2 by 3 x minus 1. So it will be 2x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Now we'll find its perpendicular distance from origin. So perpendicular distance from origin will be 4 upon, now it will be what, 9 and plus 4 root 13. So it will be 4 by root 13. So C, it is matched to Q. Now the last one is area bounded by the coordinate axis and the line through AB. So we'll find intercepts. So their modulus value of intercepts will be 2 and 4 by 3. So once we have these intercepts, we can write this area as half AB. So it will be 2 into 4 by 3. So option D, it is matched to S.